Good morning, everyone. Hello, guys. Okay, what we have? We have pretty interesting gap right here. I'm not going to hide any drawings right now. So what happened this night? We did trace where to equilibrium Friday range, right? So finally, we traced equilibrium Friday range. ES failed. Makes me feel like ES needs to retrace down to equilibrium Friday range. What else we got? 2 AM sweep, right? 2 AM sweep on 4-hour chart right here and right here. Okay. Go and switch on 30-minute chart. We got 30-minute sweep confirming this 4-hour sweep. What next? I did tracement to 3-minute order block. So, in my humble opinion, I would like to see lower back to 600. So basically, I drew this manipulation leg right here. I saw how we got minor closure. Not really like minor closure. We got closure right here, so it confirmed this order block. Price continue going lower. We got expansion, so I consider this as a breakaway gap right here. I shared this yesterday on my Twitter. So when we got two candle like some sort of expansion, I anticipate price is going to leave this as breakaway gap and continue going lower. So I would like to look for the range between 2 and 2.5 as like first level that I would like to aim for, and second level is going to be test of equilibrium Friday range, and final level is going to be forced standard deviation. That's the plan. Not a plan. It's like short idea, which already playing right now. So since once again I anticipated to get breakaway gap right here, I did not want to see price retrace into this fair value gap, and simply I want to see price going lower to the range between 2 and 2.5. So basically we got this. Then anticipate to get like another test of equilibrium Friday range. And ideally, I would like to see forced standard deviation. Yeah. Where's my short tool? 600 level is like first target. This one. It's already playing. For some magical reason, not magical reason, I consider today is going to be choppy price action. But this is what I anticipate to get before market open. And run here, like if you use this trade, to this forced standard deviation. Something like this. So that's what I want to see. Great setup, in my opinion, based on 4-hour sweep, based on 30-minute sweep, and based on 3-minute order block. This is what I was looking for. That's it. Last 2 days was extremely choppy. And in my opinion, it's better to be done before market open, because once 9:30 AM opens, like price action is going to be crazy. Like every single time it's crazy. So yeah, I use this flat candle right here. That's it. So I like how we stuck at the range between 2 and 2.5. Not going to lie, this is only trade that I saw. That's it. I cannot see any other trade ideas yet. And honestly, I have no idea what will be once market is going to open. Like, I have no idea what market will offer, because 2 days was choppy. Trump announced new tariffs, so for China, I have no idea what will happen, honestly. But this is what I saw, because I still consider probably IM is going to be choppy. Maybe not, but probably it is. Okay. Yeah, if you just look on ES was trying to fill new day opening gap it was like one tick away from top of new day opening gap, while NQ left like good piece of this new day opening gap, right? So that's going to be interesting. We have like 7 more minutes. And once again, I anticipated to get this drop before market open, because they actually may start chopping like right after 9:30 a.m. Yeah, that's the plan. I can explain the setup again if you just joined. From what I saw, we got 4 a.m. 4-hour sweep, which was at 2 a.m. This is exactly what we want to see. And after 6 a.m., once we got confirmation of this 4-hour sweep, we got 30-minute sweep, which was with this blue line right here. Right here, right? I absolutely don't care about this sweep, but like additional confirmation, probably. I don't know, like we got sweep right here. Price offered order block, and we got what? Fair value gap. We got like 1, 2, 3. 2 candle was like expansion, right? So we consider this as, I was considering this as a breakaway gap. So I shared this yesterday. Let me take a screenshot to I'm going to explain again. It doesn't mean like it should work every single time, but I'm going to cover this. Give me 1 second. It's right here. Let me take a screenshot. I'm going to explain something right now. Well, this is what I shared yesterday, and what we can see right here. When we have like candle 2 and candle 3 of fair value gap, like expansion, not always, but pretty often, it leaves us as a breakaway gap. What I mean by breakaway gap, that's very first fair value gap after we got smart money reversal, and we anticipate to get this fair value gap as unfilled fair value gap. So we want to see this fair value gap as open fair value gap. So here's example. We got like expansion. As you can see, price left this fair value gap right here, retested to this one, and I'm going to explain why. So basically we got breakaway gap. But when we see like we got first candle, second candle, expansion, like whatever this candle is, I don't care. But last candle, like some sort of consolidation on lower time frame, but looks like this, like we got small body, huge wicks right here, not huge, but big wicks right here. We anticipate price, like ideally we anticipate price is going to retrace and continue going lower. For example, even right here, it's completely 2 different examples, but right here what we got? We got expansion. We got what? Third candle was exactly what was explained right here, but once again, this example is not from this. See how price retrace and continue going lower. So my idea initially was like we got expansion, like not perfect expansion, but pretty much similar to this expansion. So I anticipate to get this as a breakaway gap. That was the plan. Yeah. Does this part make sense? Once again, guys, I'm going to repeat this. It doesn't mean like it will work every single time. It's just like case that you can consider for backtesting or something like this. Just how to predict potential, but like not guaranteed potential breakaway gap. Make sense? This part makes sense, guys? Any questions? No questions about this? Make sense? I hope so. So as I said, I anticipate to get retracement if third candle, I guess third candle is very important at this point. If third candle is going to look like maybe consolidation, something like similar to this one, right? So at this point, you can just try to, if you, first of all, guys, you must consider bias. Don't blindly just trust this graphic because it looks similar. Obviously not. But what you want to do, guys, consider bias first, high time frame levels, right? And next, you anticipate to get prices going to the trace right here, and then continue going in direction of trend, right? Make sense? So if breakaway gap, we anticipate to see fair value gap as unfilled fair value gap, right? So we don't want to see price retracing there. We want to see like this as open fair value gap. So we're looking for entry. This is how I was looking entry. Like I was waiting for the open with stop loss above this high, top of this fair value gap and targets. That's it. Make sense? I hope so. Yes, I did take this trade. I'm still in this trade. This is why I decided to cover this, just for your information, because I entered like a long time ago, like almost 1 hour ago. Makes sense. Absolutely amazing. We'll go to Zoom. I absolutely don't care, so I was following this plan. I explained why it was a trade idea. So guys, I hope you're going to take any other trades. Oh yeah, of course. It was pre-market trade. I normally don't trade pre-market. Of course I will try. Don't worry, guys. I just wanted to explain that maybe without me you will see this oh okay, maybe we'll try this. She was trying to explain. Let me try. Okay, market is open. So as you can see, like I have like 2 micros left with stop loss at break even. Happy with my profit, but once again, we will try to enter the trade again once market opens. Market is open, by the way. Still trying to respect 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range and trying to respect 50% of our fair value gap. That's a great sign. If price wants to continue going higher, we should respect upper half of this fair value gap. We'll see. Don't worry, guys. We are going to trade together. I just had to try this trade. Because, you know, since I'm trying to share like some sort of information, where is this? Like this. I must take trades based on this information, right? So I wanted to try this simply to show that like it works in proper context, right? So that's important. To trade what you're trying to teach or something like this. Interesting opening right here. Once again, Trump announced huge tariffs for China. Now the question, if Trump is going to announce like it was typo, it was mistake, and Trump is going to go to the moon, or it's really going to drop more, if it's like true, right? Oh, don't worry, it was pre-market trade. You don't need to take this trade. We will try again. Don't worry. I'm going to switch on Apex right now. Because I don't trade pre-market on funded PA accounts, Apex accounts. Don't worry, guys. You're good. They are good. Yeah, in my opinion, if news are not fake, we will drop more. That's what I think about this. We will drop a lot today. Maybe if it's like real news, once again, we might drop like 600 points lower, which will be like, okay to see. So Trump announced new tariffs for China, 245%, which is crazy and a lot. If it's not fake, we will drop. If Trump is going to say, it was fake, we are going to go to the moon. I have no idea what will happen because I cannot see the future. But this is what I expect to get, if this makes sense. Pretty much huge volatility right now. Pretty sure it's because of NVIDIA and China tariffs. So we will see. So I read this news this morning. So I believe this morning or maybe this night. I don't know. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's try to focus. Yeah, I was in this trade. It's already stopped me at break even at the rest. I was in this trade. It stopped me. I entered like 1 hour ago. I wasn't even on stream. It was a trade, so I'm going to switch right now to Apex accounts. Let me connect them. Disconnecting this one, connecting Apex. I just trade take profit and Apex separately. Connecting. So guys, don't worry, we're going to hope to take the trade together today. So it was the forerunner. I got. Why is still showing the trades? Oh, I got it. Let me leader account, reader account, and leader account. So yeah, switch to Apex. I have 20 Apex accounts. So far, I simply stopped me at break even and trying to drop again. Yeah, I have 20 accounts, funded accounts. Normally execute all 20 accounts. Switch to Apex. I'm going to trade Apex with you guys. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm going to delete this for now. So I took this trade just for your information. Let's see if it may offer something else for us. Just trying to see what is going on so far, because I would say so far from what I can see, we got the retracement from 2 and 2.5 to 1 and 1.5, right? That's interesting. Stuck at this range, doesn't really want to move yet. We got small 5-minute inversion right here. But I hope, guys, idea with fair value gap makes sense. A bit different charts because we got inversion fair value. Okay, I'm going to highlight this one anyway. Okay, Apex connection. Guys, we will trade Apex together, so I'm going to execute with you. Yeah, pretty much. About power of 3, you're right. Not in trade right now. Nope. Oops. What about 1 minute? Okay, we got solid 1-minute inversions right here. Price doesn't have first presented yet. Trying to retrace to this New York midnight open level. Yeah, I traded 5 micros, took 3 micro off, and 2 micros was runner for first deviation, but stopped me at break even. Okay, it is what it is. We'll try again, not a big deal. It's not fair value gap yet. Oh, this small. Oh, yeah, you're right then. My bad. Yeah, we do have first presented on both yes and NQ, guys. Let me check the minute chart real quick. Small one, agree with you, but it is what it is. We don't have any other fair value gaps yet. Oh, that's even smaller than I highlighted. My fault. Even smaller. Not perfect fair value gap, like 676 fair value gap. Hate it. Okay, we got flat candle with, guys, if you just, that's absolutely tricky chart on daily, because if you just go on daily, we got lots of volume imbalances, which is so tricky, right? Never seen that before. Also interesting to see that during London kill zone, we just touched, like almost touched top of new day opening gap. And that's it. So price failed by a couple of ticks, while in Q left, like once again, solid piece of this new day opening gap. Mini SMTs, not really, right? Yeah, like, you know, guys, like daily info chart looks like not perfect. That's what I want to say. Not perfect. You know, maybe it's not like really perfect, but on ES doesn't look bad. Because yesterday I took 0 trades, and I'm not going to lie. Yesterday was absolutely ugly day. I felt like I just wasted my time watching this price action. It was consolidation, and it was like maybe 70, like 90 points consolidation since 11. It was just crazy. Account blowing day. Account blowing day. But it was ugly. Absolutely not going to lie about this. Like yesterday, yeah, our task was to survive, right? So far, yeah, Chappy, I agree with you. From what I see so far, we have a couple of failure swings. Maybe it will try to build low resistance for us. Means like we will go up, then it's going to be like, probably it's going to be like slow move up to drop fast. Once again, totally depends on what Trump want to say or comment about tariffs. Because he probably let me open news just to see. Financial juice right here. I guess that's important to guys. I'm going to share with you. If you want to track news, you can track right here. So far, nothing significant from what I see. Okay. Guys, share the link in the chat. Okay, you can open it and get news as well with me. So far it's choppy, so hard to say what will be, honestly. Okay, we got not perfect, but still equal highs right here. Hey, come on. Double click. Equal highs on ES, slightly higher, so like 9 points away. You know what I like? Let me show you guys what I see so far. The 30-minute chart, yeah. So we got some sort of sweep right here, right? Price traces to 30-minute fair value gap, as well as price traces hourly order block. But look at this week right here. It's just screaming for me like, no matter how bad I would like to see slightly lower, this week doesn't let me to short probably right now. Doesn't want to let me to short right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? So, we got inversion first presented for value gap. I mean, it inverted this already. First trying to expect this one, but completely different picture on NQ. I already said to say like it's not in sync right now. Well, well. Good morning, guys, who just joined. Let me see. Oh, you mean how far you want to see this higher? That's absolutely huge gap. And let me move my crystal ball. It just doesn't let me see the charts. Huge gap right here because of Nvidia news yesterday and Trump as well, I would say. Okay. So far, kind of interesting. But also what I would like to see, like equilibrium Friday range on a yes. They left this level for some reason, I believe. Don't worry, it's still... You asked me about crystal. Of course. I mean, if you don't use crystal ball for your trading, how you even trade? Are you serious? You don't have crystal ball for trading? Are you serious, guys? Okay. Surprised to see this. Surprised to see this. Praise for trading. That's funny. I would like to see still lower. I'm not going to lie. Let me pull my projections back. Crystal. Funny, right? But if you don't have this, I mean, I don't know what to say about this. It's like, it's crazy then. I don't have open trades yet, guys. Anyway, it's top met break even right here. Went to New York midnight open. Will be fine to see if it's just going to hit to this first standard deviation, which was my final target. Still happy with trade. FIP levels. Yeah, let's try. For this week, I already like highlighted some levels. So I use this leg right here, see? On 4-hour chart. Oh, you still holding this? Good job. So I decided to move it break even. Good job then. So I measure this leg right here on 4-hour chart. And if I just want to look at these projections, 2 and 2.5 right now near 50% of daily week, and 50% of daily week can be liquidity level according to ICT, not daily week, like big week. Like overall, when we have huge week, 50% can be liquidity, right? Exactly same on ES, 2 and 2.5, we have 50% of daily week right here. So if I could send market lower, I would send this lower somewhere like right here to 50% of daily week on both ES and Q. What do you think about this? I shorted from 650 before market open. Short executions already switch account, guys. I trade take profit trader. Right now switch to Apex. So cannot show this. I mean, I need to disconnect and connect again. A bit disappointed to see that they decided to retrace to New York midnight open. More than I expected. But still, from what I see so far, picture... Oh, actually, yeah, I can explain this. We trace back to premium this order block. So yeah, it makes total sense right now. As well as on ES. Okay, well, it was obvious, retracement. Never mind. I'm not ready to look for long, guys. Maybe this is me. I would like to see lower. That's why I shorted before market open. Can even show my executions. We're going to connect again to show this. Connecting. Explain already why I took this trade. Just for some reason, cannot connect right now. Well, guys, do you have any problem with trader weight right now? Because I cannot connect my take profit trader. It's trader weight connection. Well, I mean, no matter what I want to expect, we need to get set up for short. I mean, I can expect a lot, like up, down, right, left. But right now, we don't have any setup for short. Okay, cannot connect trader weight right now. Going to try again. Take profit trader. Okay, we will wait, but we cannot connect trader weight right now. I mean, this is why I stopped working with trader weight for funded accounts because of lots of issue. So my Apex accounts are yet me connection. You connected? Well, that's strange then. Personally, I would like to see lower. It's hard for me to long yet because I still feel like it left unfinished business lower. So slightly lower will be way better to see than just pump it higher. Oh yeah, connected. Going to show idea. So my trade was over here. So I took short, like 5 micros, close 3 micros right here, stop me at break even. Final target was 4 standard deviation right here. It's working right now, connected, so no problem anymore. I cannot see buy setup yet. Maybe it will offer some sort of SMT. At this point, we can start talking about this. But for now, okay, I cannot see a lot right now for long or short. I mean, no setup for short at all for me, but no longs as well. Because overall, like my view a bit lower to this worst standard deviation. Maybe even London low because we're still inside London range. London low takens and possible reversal will be way better to see than just chop right now. Well, market makers, what about to send a bit lower? I'm just asking. A bit lower and that's it. Just a bit lower to this first standard deviation because it was my target. Okay, for epics, I don't recommend to do this, but I pass this quickly for a couple of seconds. But because I like full port this, I don't recommend to do this. Just it's up to you. Yeah, I got 20. For some people, I will share something. Lots of people, from my experience, I talk with lots of people, said like it's hard mentally to pass 20 at the same time, right? Yeah, I mean, I pass this quickly. Yeah, maybe 15 seconds. I don't want to talk about this because it's gambling. So mentally, sometimes it's hard to trade 20 accounts at the same time, especially to pass, right? But you can pass like 5 accounts, then another 5 accounts, 5 and 5. It's way easier mentally to pass than 20 at the same time. That's my recommendation. It's if you like found this hard to pass 20 accounts or trade 20 accounts at the same time, you can like trade 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh, look at this, going to my TP. That's ridiculous. Not ridiculous, but without me, I mean, crazy. Absolutely amazing job. Happy with my analysis, happy with my overall like view today. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, 1 minute chart, by the way better than 3 minute chart right now. We got unicorn. Yeah, London low will be way better this season, just reversal right now. We don't have any SMT. And what I want to see, guys, as I said before, I personally don't mind to see ES at 53.35, which is like 20 points lower. Which is equilibrium Friday range. And Q test at this level, makes sense to test this level on ES. Let's drop that. The problem with stop step and take profit trader 50% consistency rules, that's always annoying. I remember first time when I was trying to pass stop step, I decided to pass, let's pass for Monday, that's not a big deal. Then I was like, where's the mail that I passed? And I opened like my account and it says like, you need to earn another $3,000. I was like, what? What did you say? What did you say? No, I cannot see long setup. I already said I would like to see lower, so hard for me to be long at this point. So personally, what I like most of the time I trade epics. Like I will say like first epics, then take profit trader because they have daily payouts. And last, like my best perform is top step in my funded futures. This is what I trade like most of the time. Yeah, I mean, no consistency once you pass. I remember like first day when I decided to get top step and it was like, yes, rhythmic plan. That's my personal preference. Because, guys, probably you didn't know about this, but TradeAway has not only for... Okay, guys, I knew, like, I found out why we had lots of ghost orders. Remember we discussed this for TradeAway, that we have, like, ghost orders? And I found out why we had this. Because TradeAway has a rate limit. And once you hit this rate limit, it's going to be like some sort of ghost orders. I'm going to share the... Where is this? It was 5,000 transactions, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here we are. Yeah, guys, highly recommend if you're going to get 20 accounts with TradeAway, highly recommend to read this link right now that I'm going to send in the chat. Because this explains a lot about ghost orders that we had with 20 accounts. That's because every single time when you modify your trade, cancel trade, open position, close position, it's going to count this as action, right? So guys, read the link that I sent in the chat. If you're going to get 20 accounts with epics, with TradeAway connection, read this. I never had ghost orders with Rhythmic. That's why I switched to Trade Rhythmic, because before I had like TradeAway, and it was best decision to switch. In my opinion. Yeah, 5,000 transactions an hour. Exactly. So because once again, you have 20 accounts, in, like you need to multiply everything by 20, right? So for example, you're going to modify your order. For example, move your stop loss or target profit. Okay, it's action, multiply by 20, and so on. Like in reality, 5,000 like actions, transactions, not huge when you have 20 accounts, especially if you're scalper or something like this. So that was crazy. I would like to see London low taken. I would like to see 53.35 on ES. We're like 60 points away so far. I really would like to see continuation lower. Taking a 10. Yeah, like 30 seconds left. I'm waiting for 10 normally to trade silver bullet. Yeah, Nvidia like released news yesterday. It was around like 4 p.m. So I expect to get like huge gap at 6 p.m. We got this. Oh, not trades yet on Apex. Oh, that's good to know about another issue with Apex Trader. Wait. Here we are, London low taken. Yes, still left room to go lower, in my opinion. So we have SMT right now, but what I want to see is equilibrium Friday range. So how to pause? I mean, I just entered the normal trade that I usually take. For example, let's say it was unicorn because I don't remember. It was September or October. I just don't remember. And just entered the trade. It wasn't like 8 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't remember how many minutes I can trade with a 50K account, but it was maybe 3 minutes. So it was quick. By the way, guys, quick announcement. I'm about to hit 20,000 people, subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I prepared something very cool once we hit this. It's going to be, once I hit this, like I hope it's going to be this week, maybe next week. But if next week, I will prepare like 5 days of giveaway, huge giveaways. It will be like huge giveaways. Yeah, guys. Not going to give away like 2 accounts. It's going to be way more accounts. Now, guys, I'm going to give away lots of different trading stuff. So every single day, I will do giveaway. Every single day. So, for example, if you miss opportunity like on Monday, you will try to do this on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Not why wait, because guys, come on, subscribe to the channel so we're going to do this quicker. Like we need 20,000 people. So I will do this giveaway then. Simple as that. So we are so close. We're so close. So far, okay, let's focus right now. So far what we have, London low taken on NQ, failed to be taken on ES. 2 accounts. Thank you. So you don't need to create lots of accounts, don't worry. We're not in a rush, but it's going to be interesting week. I'm excited to do lots of giveaways for you people, for my people. So so yeah, we'll see how it goes, guys. Next week, I hope so. Next week we are going to have guests as well. Okay, let's focus right now on price action. Yeah, actually we got the closure below this candle right here, so it was order block. Absolutely. Let me a little bit zoom in. Yeah, it was order block on 3-minute chart right here. I believe it pumped at 4:27 a.m. because of news with China tariffs. Trump said it's going to be increased to 245%, which was before 145%. So I guess that was the reason, like they dropped and pump. Probably this one. I cannot find any other explanation. Interesting SMT. But from what I see, London low on both yes and Q was equal lows. So equal lows taken on in Q so far. Failed to be taken on yes. Let's pull projection because pretty much power of 3 right here. Market maker sell model. Interesting reaction from 2 and 2.5 so far. If it wants to reverse, so need to get structure for reversal, which can be actually 1 minute smart money reversal, will be enough for me. Looking for order block, combination of order block and inversion fair value gap, at least. At this point, we can start talking about potential smart money reversal to anticipate the chase on back to premium or market maker buy model. By the way, for example, what we got right here, expansion, what happened? It left this fair value gap to deliver to London low, so finished business, trying to reverse. See, like another example. Hope it makes sense. See, like, no hindsight at this point. I mean, I shared this yesterday on Twitter. We got lots of different examples on different time frames with this, right? Interesting. So I'm looking for potential 1 minute smart money reversal because for now we don't have any. I mean, structure still remains pettish. What time is this? It's 10, right? It's 10 already. Come on. Wow. So far, we have minor manipulation below hourly and 4-hour. So I see this like open. High, probably. Don't really like satisfied with this manipulation yet. We will see. We need to get the closure first. I recommend pay attention to high time frame candles right now, how it's trying to form. Let's think in terms of power of 3, right? So we want to see like open high or open low, right? Which will be manipulation. So far we got open, minor kind of interesting to say if it was minor because London low taken while ES failed. So yeah, we got minor manipulation, but it's still manipulation. Looking for some sort of reaction. A 5-minute chart. Let me check real quick. We did chase to 5-minute breaker block again. So this blue box is 5-minute breaker block. From what I see, we got order block right here. We got confirmed inversion. We got order block actually on both yes and Q. I see tracing up right now. Tracing where to 3-minute order block and 5-minute breaker block, right? In my opinion, I mean, London low was equal lows as well. Watching if it may offer some sort of SMT. You long? Okay, good job. I mean, if you see setup, of course, trade. I'm not going to stop you from taking any trades. Nothing from me yet. Not interested yet. That's also interesting because we definitely stuck. I'm sorry, guys, I just inverted this between two breaker blocks, bullish and bearish. We got small 5-minute fair value gap on both yes and Q, not inverted yet. Not going to not confident right now with long in this market. Just for now, maybe 5-minute chart will tell me something a bit later. All we have SMT right now. Inverted already. Did not invert on yes. Once again, guys, I'm not going to stop you from taking any trade. So if you see like A plus setup, you must take A plus setup no matter how it's going to end. If it's going to be losing or winning, you must take this no matter what. For now, going to highlight potential OT from here to here. Minor SMT. You know what's the problem right now? On 15-minute and 5-minute chart, we're still inside bearish PD ray. It's hard to long at this point. I mean, nothing wrong with 1 minute, like long for scalp, for example. Yeah, order block, that's what I mean right now. We're inside 15-minute order block right now. Need to break 50% of this order block to invalidate this. Something, you know? Still trying to hold this minor SMT. I'm not ready to say that's strong SMT, just minor, but still SMT. Guys, you just need to understand you don't need to trade every single day to be profitable, right? You must just see A plus setup. Sometimes it's going to be just once a week. Sometimes it's going to be 2 times a week. But once again, if you see A plus, execute this. Don't need to chase for every single move. Just trust me. Yes, 5-minute and 15-minute chart still bearish in my opinion. So this is what I see so far. I'm looking if it may create order block right here, because if so, there's chance to consider continuation lower. I'm looking right now at this idea. I'm not entirely sure yet, just trying to see if it order block or not. It's not trade idea yet, guys. I'm just trying to tape right now. Basically, both offered order blocks. Yes, as well. Structure not clean right now, so kind of tricky. Oh, you're fast to placing limit. I'm not confident with this yet. I'm trying to be focused right now, to just trying to think logically. If price wants to reverse higher, what's the point? What's the reason behind this? Because I cannot see any just right now. Oh, I'm not in yet as well, so like no complaints about this. Oh, not in yet. I'm just trying to see, no trades yet. I'm just trying to understand right now what's the reason. For example, if it wants to long, what I should use to this long, because for now I only see SMT. Nothing more. That's the problem. I'm not saying like we cannot respect this inversion and continue going higher. What's the reason behind this? Let me check news real quick. We don't have important news right now. Oh, you cannot see me? I'm sorry, guys. That's my fault. I forgot to turn this on. Watching yes right now. You know what I like so far? I'm going to show you right now. Oops. I like this SMT right here with order block. So normally, if you want to ask me what is unicorn, not unicorn, A plus, for me is like when we have. I'm like short person. I mean, like I like short trading, guys. I mean, I'm bad in longing for some magical reason. I cannot see long setups, but I'm perfect in shorting market. Okay, let's talk about potential short. So my A plus setup, normally what I see, we got retracement back to premium, price offering SMT between yes and NQ, creating order block, and right after this, selling. So I will look for short, guys. We got inversion. A bit of retracement to this fair value gap. I will give it a try. That's my opinion, guys. I can be wrong. Would like to try short from this fair value gap, if I may get this. Because let me see if I'm going to enter just right now. Stop loss is going to be the same. I guess not proper risk reward at this point. Yeah. Ready to give it a try from fair value gap if my trace. We got inversion right here. So yeah, I could open position at this inversion, just stop loss. Like, it's going to be like 1.5, 1.4 R. Like, I just want to try, like, so idea will be somewhere from here. Because if I want to like enter just right now, that still makes sense. So we chase this fair value gap. So not in yet, as you can see. Watching how we can expect like two fair value gaps. I combine them. How we can expect 50%. Like not really ignoring right now. I'm just trying to think logically why I want to trust 1 minute chart and I don't want to trust, for example, 5 minute chart or 15-minute chart. Just trying to understand what the reason behind this at this point. So not in, waiting for displacement from fair value gap to enter the trade. Of course, if you may displace. If not, then like not going to enter. Simple as that. So I would like to wait for displacement. This means I need to get like some sort of candle like this, like big candle, and I will try this. And will enter the trade. Like this. We'll enter something like this with stop loss above potential swing high. It will be something like this. If it makes sense. Yeah, like something like this. Maybe not huge displacement, but something like this. Okay, can you see my ES chart? No trades yet, guys. We got inversion, right? Right here. Price already inverted this, not great. Going to wait with this. Not great signs that we got inversion. Well, keep waiting for something magical to happen. Don't really like that it inverted this fair value gap. What about 30-minute chart? Let me see. It's about to offer a sweep on 30-minute chart, but we still need to wait for until 10:30. Well, okay, guys, keep waiting. Not good sign for me right now to short is for inversion fair value gap right here, like second inversion. That's not good sign. That's why I always wait for displacement. Did not displace yet. Let's see. Still, like, I feel like good, like we are going to get trade today. Only issue I would say with this, we don't have 5-minute order block. We don't have like something that trying to tell me like Dasha long right now. Don't want to blindly trust 1-minute chart yet. Because from what I see so far, we only got SMT. I'm happy to be late. I don't want to be like, first buyer at this point. would like to get some sort of structure on 5-minute chart on something like this. Can keep waiting. Five-minute chart is about to offer market structure. I hope so. At least it will be first confirmation for me. 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart trying to break above min threshold of 15-minute order block. So we'll see how it goes. What we have higher? We have equal highs higher. I'm looking, maybe yes. So I would say both strong right now. Yeah, a bit annoying sitting without trade so far. I mean, only pre-market short, that's it. Huge pump right here after we got inversion. So far we have another SMT right here and right here. We did chase to 2-minute order block and OT right here. Okay. I'm not long biased right now as well. I kind of don't feel like long setup right now. Maybe that's me. Not like because I want to see drop and only drop. No, not because of this. Just doesn't see a lot for long right now. Maybe wrong. Possibly. Let me change color for SMT to dark blue. And chase this for a value gap right now. Okay, probably I'm waiting for 15-minute confirmation. At this point, I will change my mind and will be ready to long. Otherwise, no, thank you. Yeah, you're right about low resistance. Absolutely right. I agree with you. Just waiting for confirmation on 15-minute chart. No, just news, not good. So hard for me to be like bullish at this point. I would say I would like to see a bit lower, but who cares what I want to see, right? We just got two solid down close candle on 1 hour chart, and for some reason I feel like it's just retracement right now. I can be wrong, just I feel like this. Let's see. I can be wrong, just totally possible, but once again, I'm going to trust my analysis. Let me open 2-minute chart. Yeah, that's why, like, I mean, it's mentally hard right now to long this. Anyway, if I decide to short it, it will be like 40 point stop loss. Not a big deal. Maybe 50. So I drew this 2-minute potential inversion for a value gap. 1-minute inversion right here, potential. Yeah, going to stick to my plan. So this is how it works. If you're not going to stick to your plan, then like in loss or win, like whatever. It's not the best performance at this point. Just must trust my analysis. Otherwise, no reason to even trade. Okay, what we see? We got another SMT between ES and NQ. Trying to respect this for a value gap still. Going for a chart right now. Let me hide drawings to show you something. See these candles right now? Like, what is this? What? See this consolidation right here? What's wrong with charts? Why it jumped? Consolidation pretty much right here. Lots of volume imbalances. Failed to take this high on both yes and NQ. Normally, what I want to anticipate, it will try to take new low right here. I mean, I'm happy with my pre-market trade, but kind of want to see something on the New York AM session. That's annoying that we have nothing so far. Nothing good so far. Yeah, we have speaker at 1:30 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. Okay, still trying to respect fair value gap right here, and we got like minor SMT, like lots of different SMTs. Almost every single SMT failed today. 15-minute chart doesn't want to provide 15-minute order block yet. Bullish order block. Oh, I shorted. From from here. Yeah, somewhere from here. If 15-minute order block, bullish order block presented, okay, I will be ready to look for long because that's first confirmation for me that bullish bias in play. Oh, no trades yet. You asking if I'm in, but you clearly can see my trading platform. Why are you even asking? No, you should see all markets right here. It's not hidden. So I took 0 trades like yesterday, so nothing to hide. Disappointed as well. Let me. Why it's so colorful? That's so annoying. If it may be a short opportunity, I will be happy to see this. I'm looking for short. I'm not going to lie. I can be wrong at this point. Trust your analysis, guys. I can be wrong probably, but I'm looking for short. This week is short week. Like Friday is bank holiday. So maybe that's why it's so choppy right now. But okay, Dasha, it's just so annoying because it's choppy. Yeah, I will give it a try to short, guys. Don't copy me if you like bullish bias. Please try to stay from copying my trade. I will try once it may invert fair value gaps. I mean, once again, guys, let me hide to show you. If it may present order block right here, I will switch my mind. I mean, like, I will say, like, okay, probably that's bullish right now. It's order block, retracement, continuation higher. Just without order block, from what I see so far, it's not bullish yet, in my opinion. I'm just trying to trust high time frame analysis to execute something. If it makes sense. I hope it makes sense. So on 15-minute chart, like I can consider weak because it's small weak, big body. So you can consider actually high of candle. I will be happy with 2-minute inversion, honestly. Let's check SPX real quick. SPX doesn't have order block yet. But we don't have like order block on 2-minute chart on Q as well. We're waiting for inversion. Or 15-minute bullish order block, something. So far we got SIP. It's not order block on 2-minute chart. Does not want to confirm idea yet. So as you can see, we don't have inversion yet right here as well. But we don't have 15-minute bullish order block either. So keep waiting. Interesting. Looking interesting right now. If it wants to be, it's inverted chart, guys. If it wants to be like market maker sell model, we got inversion for second stage of redistribution, reaccumulation, right? So highlighted this blue line, potential 15-minute order block. So I will be ready to long then. Eight 2 a.m. Hi, where is this? Okay. Let's see if it may create order block on 15-minute chart to try this. You know, I'm thinking about weekly profile so far, and I'm not sure what kind of weekly profile we have. Because it's just consolidation overall. Okay, boring perception so far. Settings with 0 trades on my PE accounts. A bit annoying, but okay. Invalidate this SMT right now, but it trace back to, it was 15-minute fair value. It's trying to create order block, at least something. I said that I didn't want to be first buyer, so I will be happy to be like buyer somewhere right here. You chase the first presented fair value gap as well. It's about to create order block on 15-minute chart. Okay, it's about to create 1 minute left. Oops. Hey, with order block on 15-minute chart, I would like to long. Good job, who longed this? So it left 5 minutes, 2 minutes actually, untapped fair value gap right here and right here. I'm going to just edit through this right now. Untap, this means like unfilled fair value gap. So we got 30-minute sweep right here on, I believe, on both yes and NQ. Yes, on both yes and NQ. We got 3-minute order block right here. I highlighted this on my chart. Also, we got flat candle on 3-minute chart. Just trying to stick to the plan. So both yes and NQ failed to take New York midnight open, by the way. We did chase to the 3-minute order block just for now. It failed on yes, but we did chase to this order block on Q. We don't have 2-minute inversion yet. Just keep trying. Yeah, it's keep trying to just respecting every single bullish PD ray so far. We got 15-minute. Let me delete this one. We got 15-minute order block. But we got this only on NQ. We did not get this on ES, by the way. That's interesting. Okay, both yes and Q respected this 3-minute order block. Strange feeling, guys. I just really don't feel longs right now. Maybe today. All I know, I'm not going to long today at all. Like, I just not going to, I just don't feel this. Maybe because it was choppy last 2 days. I don't know. Like, just I'm not going to lie. I don't feel longs at all. We got 2-minute inversion. Come on, Dasha, just trust your analysis. That's so strange right now. Well, I'm going to risk is 30 points. Let's check SPX. What time is this? Yeah, I'm going to wait until 11. If nothing, then I'm going to be done for the day. You'll be happy with my short in pre-market. Yeah, maybe like when I will. Usually I journal like after 4 p.m. When I'm going to journal, I will see like it was textbook long, but right now I cannot see this textbook long. I will wait for SPX to confirm this short, and probably will give it a try. Okay, 10 more minutes and done for the day. No trades means no trades. Sometimes it's better to stay away when you don't feel the market. It will be a bad decision for me. I feel nothing wrong with this. Just like I don't feel the market right now too long. But maybe once again, when I'm going to journal, like today's transaction, I will say like, oh, it was textbook, but right now I cannot see this textbook. Can be wrong, definitely. Going to explain why. Because from what I saw today, this morning, when I woke up, I saw we got 2 AM sweep procedures. Interesting candle right here. Price perfectly respected this level right here. 2 AM sweep on both yes and NQ. So this is why I was like, I'm more bearish today than bullish. And that's why I'm stopping myself from taking longs, because 4-hour chart doesn't it look bullish for me. I can be wrong, guys. Just from what I see on 4-hour chart, doesn't really want to like long this. Okay, guys, give it a try. I don't care how it goes. Give it a try. Happy to be wrong. First target will be untapped for happy to be wrong. But must to try this. Must. Guys, don't copy me if you don't see this as short setup. I just must to try this once again. If I'm wrong, then I will take stop loss and I will be happy like I took stop loss. It's going to be one win, one loss for me. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't really care. Actually, I will move my stop loss at 50% of this week. No matter what will happen, it was a good try. I trusted my analysis. And that's it. Let's see. No risk, no reward. Yeah, if it's not your setup, guys, stay away. Obviously, stay away from taking any trades right here. I just see like I need to try this. That's it. Top of this very well gap. 0.75, like this. Given the try, like I said before. SPX created inversion fair value gap. Yes, I'm going to stay in this. SPX trying to confirm this. Okay, guys, going to show you something right now. So SPX created inversion fair value gap for me. So this is what I was waiting for. So we got inversion. I'm in based on a couple of confirmations. Going to wait. I just had my analysis before, so I'm going to try this analysis. If I'm wrong, then I will take stop loss and going to be done for the day. Try a small size, so just to see how it goes. Like, no stress, nothing. Feel nothing right now. Yeah, trading small size. Not ready to trade bigger size and like what I have right now. Do not feel like sad with taking, for example, loss. But I hope it's not going to be loss. But we will see. What I like is PX offered 2 a.m. 2-minute inversion. That's what I was waiting for to validate my short. It offered, so I'm happy I entered. Just once again, we'll see how it goes. So far, I have one win pre-market and like in for this IM session. Have no idea how it goes, but we will see. But even if it will like drop after New York midnight open taken, that's okay. Probably I'm not going to take any more trades. Like I don't feel longs, as I said before. Just I don't feel them. We'll try to stay away. $663.50. Okay, that's my stop loss where it must be like this. Please do something. Hello, market makers. What about a little bit faster delivery? Just asking, just a bit slow. Yeah. It's like, more scalp trade because today is kind of tricky price action. Overall, from what I see, like high time frame more consolidation. I'm not like, but this 2 AM sweep doesn't let me to be bullish. Doesn't want to let me be bullish right now. Wants to be like in scalper mode today. Queen of shit price action. Watch this work. Exactly. You remember. You remember this? That's funny. Did you want to see once we break this level right here, game over for bulls? I mean, for short-term bulls. Need to break this low. Flat candle taken on 3-minute chart. Okay, we have SMT right now. Don't happy to see this SMT right here, because we have untapped fair value gap slightly lower, but it's okay. I reduced my stop loss a bit. I'm not going to move my stop loss. I mean, I'm going to stay right here. It's not a big deal for me. I'm not going to risk a lot at this point. All I don't like right now is SMT for my trade. And if it's going to close above this level, probably it's going to be a bullish run. I don't really like this for now. This SMT trying to hold. It's okay. Yeah, we got this order block. I'm not going to move stop loss, but I see first invalidation of my trade right here. We got SMT plus order block right here. That's first invalidation. But since I'm not going to risk a lot at this trade, so I'm going to see it. But right here, invalidation. Not great, but it's okay. But it's already broke below this order block on 3-minute chart. It's not valid for me anymore. It's like scalp, like 1 hour scalp. It's not. It did not hit my like 1 hour scalp yet. But good reaction from 3-minute flat candle scissors. I'm going to leave stop loss right here, but once again, from what I see, we got SMT and we got 1-minute order block. That's invalidation of short. Anyway. Yeah, right now it's bullish. I totally agree with you with this 1-minute order block. Once we break above this high, it's going to be break of structure to upside. Probably it will go up right now. Guys, if you want to close a trade, you can, because we got invalidation. Since I'm not risking a lot at this point. I mean, like less than $150. I'm going to sit in this trade. It's not going to affect my account. Just no matter what will happen, I will sit. I see this as a validation of my short right here. But since I'm risking only $140, so it makes sense to see it. Yeah, invalidation was SMT and this 1 minute order block. That's good bullish sign to me. But since SPX actually bullish right now. Anyway. Yeah. Guys, if you want to close, you can close because we got invalidation. Let me see. Like everything less than 2 hours. Okay. When choppy days, I prefer to trade small size and risking not a lot. Team bullish just took partial. Okay, good job. Who took this long? I'm not going. I'm happy to take the last right here. Just going to trust my analysis. Initial analysis. But definitely bullish right now. Don't want to close for some reason. Will be happy to take a loss. Why it's so choppy? That's a little bit annoying, I would say. Yes, took New York midnight open. NQ still below this. That's a problem. NQ still below New York midnight open. It may try to take this New York midnight open level. Anyway. Yeah, totally agree with bullish bias right now. It's okay. No risk, no reward. I tried this with small size. It wasn't like ridiculous stop loss at this point in terms of points. Like, had to try this. What was my point of view? I already explained like many times, guys. But pretty believe like NQ wants to reach New York midnight open as well. If not right now, then later. If you long from this order block, it's okay. My heart is fine. I mean, like, feel nothing right now. It's very choppy. I agree with you. It's just annoying a bit. Because my partial level is 1 hour. For scalp, it's okay. What is going on? Lots of failure swings on ES right now. See this? That's annoying. ES took New York midnight open, and Q failed. Doesn't want to. I mean, actually, ES retraced. Not a lot, because it's choppy right now. Anyway, going to sit in this. Not a big deal. We have speaker at 1:30 p.m. today. Yeah, if you cut in small profit, you can. I mean, since I'm ready to take a loss, I mean, to loss like $160, $150, I'm going to stay right here. You never know how this chap is going to end, right? And you got why you forced me to be in this job. If you're looking for long, I would say New York Midnight Open will be the target. Yes, keep going higher. Yeah, this week is choppy, so I highly recommend to trade with smaller size. That's what I do. Yeah. Come on, I can't see this anymore. That's insane. Yeah, totally agree. Like, perfect message. I would much rather to be stopped out and be wrong than to be in this bear code. Exactly. Like you when you feel like I'm not really bearish, I'm not really bullish right now. Like I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have evaluation, you know? I mean, I only have funded accounts. That's why I trade small size. Stopped out. You know, finally. Okay, down 150. Not a big deal. Good try. I have no idea what it wants to do. Maybe it wants to take New York Midnight Open right now. Maybe. Like right now, like a time when you're happy to be like wrong, but at least something happened. Okay, good try. Broke above 50% of this week. I guess slowly moving to New York Midnight Open. Satisfying stop loss, exactly. Okay. New York Midnight Open taken just for now. Not happy ending. It is what it is, so. Okay, let's see what will happen next. Because right now we took New York Midnight Open on both ES and NQ. ES has equal highs, slightly higher. That's buy side liquidity. Yes, slowly going higher. SPX like expansion up as well. Took buy side liquidity. Basically 9:36 a.m. high. Yeah, going to this buy side liquidity right now. Okay, was wrong. I was wrong. We have London high higher, and we have top of new day opening gap higher as well. So yeah, going to be done for the day. Do you trade? No, I don't recommend to trade news. It's not a good habit, I guess. Okay, guys. Took a loss. On my A. Okay. Let me show you. Took a loss on my 20 funded accounts. Maybe even happy with this loss. Better than nothing. Let me move a bit like this. Okay. Good try. Was wrong. But once again, I wasn't bullish like so long. Yeah, small loss is okay. Good try. Okay, guys, quick reminder. When we are going to have 20,000 subscribers, we are so close to this. I'm going to do a week of giveaways. It's going to be lots of different giveaways. So once we hit 20,000 subscribers, 20K subscribers, it's going to be an amazing week of giveaways. So don't forget to subscribe. Not 100 accounts, but it's going to be interesting. Guys, any other questions? So it was a bit choppy for me. I'm going to be happy with what I have. Personal funded account. No, once you get Tapstep account, it will give you Tapstep X, right? It will give you data and sizes. So yeah, you don't need to pay for this. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. We will try again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. We will try again tomorrow. Yeah, not my day today. Not going to be sad about this. Part of the game. Happy to take small loss and try to stay away from taking shorts that I actually consider it. So happy with this. Guys, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. If any other questions, important questions, you can ask me on Twitter, Instagram, or Discord. You can send me direct message in Discord. Hey guys, small loss, one win pre-market. So one win, one loss for me today. Going to close the day. Bye guys. Thank you for joining.